Hello everyone, I'm Anil Kumar Anyam. In this video, I am going to explain about the Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. The Oracle Corporation is an American global computer technology corporation headquartered in Redwood City, California. The company primarily specializes in developing and marketing computer hardware, system, and enterprise software products, particularly its own brands of database management system. It is founded in June 16, 1977. Larry Ellison, a co-founder of Oracle, served as the Oracle CEO from founding. Product and services. There are three types of product and services. They are software, hardware, and services. In software, have a database, middleware, applications, enterprise management, development software, operating software. In hardware, Oracle Exadata and Exalogic. In services, Oracle Academy, Oracle Cloud Services, Oracle Consulting, Oracle Financing, Oracle and Oracle Supporting. In this slide, we will see about more an Oracle. The numbers of revenue. The numbers of revenue is $38.84 bit. The numbers of assets. The numbers of assets is $98.82 bit. The numbers of profits. The numbers of profits is $10.83 bit. In this slide, we will see about Oracle attrition rate. In this slide, we will see about the facts about Oracles. Oracle, in the first point, Oracle is ranked among the 10 best companies for a 6-month return on equity. Oracle's relational database was the world first to support the structured query language, now an industry standard. Today, the Oracle DBMS is supported on over 80 different operating environments, ranging from IBM mainframe and DEC VAX mini computers to Unix based mini computers and Windows NT platforms. Oracle spends nearly 13% of their revenues for research and development. Oracle created the first database to run on massive parallel computer. All 10 of the world's largest websites, from Amazon.com to Yahoo, use Oracle. 65% of the Fortune 100 use Oracle for e-business. In this slide, we will see about campus placement process of Oracle. Oracle recruits fresh candidates who have completed bachelor degree in technology or engineering. Selection process includes screening test, group discussion, and technical interview. Final selection will be based on composite scores obtained in written test and personal interview. Candidates should have good academics record and good interpersonal skills. In this slide, we will see about eligibility criterion. Candidates who have completed graduation in engineering are eligible to apply for campus recruitments process of Oracle. Candidates should secure at least 60% aggregate marks in matriculation, higher secondary exam, and in graduation or post graduation. BTech or MCA graduates from any institute recognized by UGC are also eligible to apply. They are not supposed to have any back papers at the time of application. In addition to this, candidates should have good communication skill and good command over technical subjects. They have to be knowledgeable in any of the programming languages. Selection procedure. The placement process of Oracle comprises of two main sections. First is the written test and the second one is an interview. The written test contains questions from topics such as computer science knowledge, data structure, OS concepts, verbal ability, reasoning, and general English. Candidates can expect questions from technical sections such as C, C++, Java, SQL, data structure, PLSQL, and etc. Candidates who have cleared the written test will be shortlisted for group discussion as well as personal interview. Candidates' communication skills and awareness in general knowledge will be measured in group discussion. Candidates will be asked questions to measure their ability to handle tough situation, projects done etc. Profile for a technical job. Core skills. Knowledge about the whole software development cycle. Advanced Oracle database knowledge. Advanced knowledge of Oracle products. Programming language Java, PL or SQL, C or C++. Operating system Unix or Linux. Soft skills able to work under pressure, result oriented, proactivity and flexibility, creativity, customer focus, abilities for analysis and planning, adaptability to new technologies, teamwork. Profiles for non-technical job. Core skills. English fluency is a must. Secondary language fluency and graduation of university. Computer operation skills, MS Office and Oracle applications. Soft skills, flexibility in job program, teamwork, results orientation, motivation, proactivity, ability to run several projects in the same time, prior experience in working with customers, interpersonal communication skills, intercultural sensitivity, ability to innovate in various encounters, adaptability. Thank you.